Jesus!
I'm all covered in lotion. Just coming up to 9 AM and we're ready for day 2. Today is Tuesday and heading to the I don't know how to pronounce it. Haverthwaite, it's there. And Lakeside Railway steam train. And then on to the Lakeland Motor Museum and then to hire a boat for a couple of hours on Lake Windermere. So that's the plan for today. Might be a couple of things in between, but yeah, let's get rolling. Right, so I've just arrived at the train station. I'm 45 minutes early. The train's at 9:50. It's £12 for a return to Lakeside, £3.50 to park all day, so it's not too bad. I'm just having a little walk before going and checking out the train station. I think there's an engine shed and a couple other things there, so get the day started. So now on the train, and I've pretty much got a carriage to myself. The other end's pretty full. I think there was about 6 or 7 carriages on this train, and it is proper old school. So because you go to a lot of museums and you see these kind of things just sort of sitting there. Nice to actually get on one that's moving. Should be off in about 5 minutes to Lakeside, and then getting the same train back here about 15-20 minutes later. Just wait for this to set off. So that was, the view was amazing. Wow. That was the journey to Lakeside. Steam trains don't go very fast. That took 18 minutes. And then you end up here at Lakeside Station. Couldn't have picked a better day for it, really. We're going to sit here for about 5-10 minutes. Train returns at 10:20. Back to Haverthwaite. I've sort of learned how to pronounce it. Back to Haverthwaite and then continue with the rest of the day. But look at that. That is just amazing. Cool, so that was the railway, just in the engine shed at the moment, checking out the old trains. Yeah, now we're gonna head out and go check out some more stuff. Let's crack on. We just arrived at the Lakeland Motor Museum. Everywhere you go here is just incredible. It was only 2 minutes down the road from the railway.
Traffic on a wavy highway where there's no such thing as a speed cop or a hold up at the lights.
So that was the Lakeland Motor Museum. I really need to stop going into gift shops. I've spent another £15 in that gift shop. I think I just come to museums for the gift shop. But anyway, I'll probably try and get some lunch and then head to the Windermere and get on the boat. So of course there was absolutely nowhere to park, so I've had to drive about 5 minutes down the road, which is going to be about a 20-minute walk to where I'm going, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm going to pay for parking and head down there now, but the lake looks beautiful. I've just stopped at a restaurant, pub, bar type thing called Quayside. Got a pint of Hogshead Brewery. I'm just waiting for a bacon, brie and Cumberland sausage ciabatta. I got some duck feed, 3 for £1. Come to me! You're getting entirely too close to me. No, you're too close. Go away. Yeah, eat. Enjoy. Take it. I am the Lord of the Duck, said he. Alright. You like get entirely too close. Oh, it's a dove. Jesus Christ! It just landed on my shoulder. I've become a bird whisperer. There's doves. Hello. So we just picked up our boat from Bonus Bay Marina. I turned up 20 minutes early and they said still come back at 4, so it's terrifying. Let's go. So if you're ever actually coming up to the Lake District, I highly advise that you rent a boat. It's just a different way of seeing things. I've got mountains on one side. The lake is huge. This is Windermere, so I think it's 10 miles long. The Lake District is genuinely incredible. I highly advise anybody to get out here and do this exact thing that I'm doing right now. I just hope I don't sink. Let's open her up. Turns out I'm quite the experienced boatsman apparently. I've done this now in Amsterdam, second time in the Lake District, a couple of times on the Norfolk Broads. It's just very chilled. Forward, backwards, left and right. It's not hard to drive at all. The only thing is I just need to not get lost, not hit anything, and not end up beached at the side, which seems easy enough. Oh, it's choppy! It's choppy! Oh, that's choppy. It's so windy. It's a beautiful day, but the wind is really picking up. The more central I get into the lake, and the waves are oh, I don't like it. I feel like I'm tipping over. Obviously the only thing with being on this by myself is I've got a whole nice outdoor decking bit which I can't even use. I mean, I could stop and just go back there and just sit down for a bit, but try not to fall in. Oh, it's choppy. That's very choppy. Oh my god. No, that's terrifying. That was terrifying. I don't like it. I feel like I might capsize. Oh no. Oh my god. So there's one thing about being on Windermere is you are sharing the lake with hundreds of other boats, sailboats, little rowing boats, little canoes, and then giant steamers as well, like big oh! I'm going for about an hour now, and I've got to like a really wide open part of the lake, and it's choppy. It's really windy and the waves are not big, but whoa, yeah. It's a good time. It's a good time. Oh, the back of my neck is burnt because I've not lotioned it. I need to lotion it again. It puts the lotion on its skin or it gets the hose again. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the mother. Oh, I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. I thought I'd stop for a minute and just stand outside on the boat for a second. Yeah, it's just... camera doesn't do it justice either. So I've got about an hour left. I've just turned around. I'm gonna head back. Hopefully I've got enough time. I better get a move on. Alright, so back on dry land. That was fun. There was a couple of bits where I was like, oh, I might die. But no, it was good. Enjoyed that. So I've got another 2 hours of parking and I just realised I'm in Bowness. So I'm going to just have a little wander around the town and see what's about. Then go feed the ducks. Then figure out what I'm going to do next. Cool. Alright, let's do that. I didn't get to film much because my phone's gonna die. Went for a little wander around Bowness, found some cool shops and just had a little wander. There's a really good shop called Antiques and High. They had everything in there I wanted to buy. It's been a good day. I'm going to stop on the way back at a supermarket, try and get some dinner and go for a walk. When I get back, see my sheep friends, and yeah, that's probably it. So I just got back to the site I'm staying at. I'm just walking along this bay. It looks like there's a boat there. There's no water for miles. I don't know if there's anyone in here. Oh, yeah. Now that looks precarious. Yeah. No, don't think I'm going in this one. If I'm ever homeless, this is where I'm coming. It just seems to go on forever. You see those tyre tracks on the ground? Oh, the temptation to do that is really strong. Like, I'd love to go back and get my car and just bring it here and probably break it, but I'm really not sure what this is. It's not sand. It's been wet recently. The ground's soft. That will be it from me for today. It's been a good day. Definitely got burnt on my bald. I will catch you tomorrow for another day of lake districting.